NSC response overall was timely, apt, and holistic. And the most important thing out of all that has emanated from India and what you're asking is India's war in Syria. Because if they follow through, then it can lead to many events developing which can go out of control of anybody or everybody. I'd like to start by saying that war is the province of danger, chance, and uncertainty. That's Clausewitz, but the Indians read Chanakya. That's the first problem. The problem we are facing here is that the Indian media and some of their social security, so-called security wizards and others who are actually the handmaidens of the Indian establishment or Delhi, they are running the show and they are affecting their policy. So if you go through the Indian media, it looks like we're at war already, or it's about to break. And that is the single most important thing. The rest of them, the second most important thing is already what you've talked about, that is the water in this water treaty, because if you stop somebody's water, it is an act of war. And that's Pakistan has responded. And if they go through and follow through on it, obviously the results will be conflictual. There is no the question on that. So Pakistan's response, I would say, has been measured so far. But the basic thing we need to understand, and that's what I've been saying and discussing with you also in other programs, is that all that this is happening is not happening in isolation. There is a larger or a bigger geopolitical picture or a portrait in which this incident, this one or the one before or the next one, false flag operation or whatever happens, India is following that oversized geopolitical agenda in which they are talking, as you've seen on Indian media and otherwise officially also, of supporting the breakaway of Balochistan from Pakistan and capturing Azad Kashmir and northern areas of Baltistan of Pakistan. So they're saying it openly, not only the media, but their official sources are saying it. So you can understand that all is happening in a certain geopolitical framework. This incident or anything else cannot be seen in isolation. And their response, in this water treaty or anything else that they have done, it is all part of a whole package against Pakistan. It's, in simplified terms, a policy of confrontation with Pakistan. That is what is happening, and Pakistan needs to respond proactively.